Good morning. I'm ready to explore.
You look very cheerful this morning.
I slept so well. The room was comfortable.
Good. Today we walk around the city.
I'm so excited. Where do we go first?
Let's find the old town center first.
Tom, what does directions mean?
Directions tell you how to get somewhere.
Like turn left or turn right?
Exactly, left, right, straight ahead.
What if I go the wrong way?
Then you ask someone for directions.
Tom, can you read this map?
Yes, we are right here.
And the old town is over there?
Correct. We walk straight ahead first.
How far is it from here?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Tom, what is that crossing called?
That is an intersection.
An intersection is where roads cross.
Yes, two or more roads meet there.
We turn at the intersection?
Yes, we turn left at the next one.
Okay, turn left at the intersection.
Good. You remembered perfectly.
Now what do we do?
We walk straight for 2 blocks.
What is a block?
A block is the space between two streets.
So 2 blocks means 2 street spaces?
Exactly right. It's very simple.
How many blocks to the old town?
About 3 blocks from the intersection.
3 blocks is not very far.
No, we will be there very soon.
Tom, does this look familiar to you?
I think we took a wrong turn.
Oh no, are we lost?
Not lost, just a little confused.
Should we ask someone for help?
Great idea. Let's ask that person there.
Excuse me, how do I get to the old town?
We are looking for the main square.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far at all.
Which way should we go?
Turn right at the next corner.
What is a corner exactly?
A corner is where 2 streets meet.
Like the end of this block?
Yes, the corner is right there.
So we turn right at that corner?
That's what the person said. Let's go.
Okay, turn right at the corner.
Then we go straight for 1 block.
And the old town is on the left?
Yes, it's on the left side of the street.
Left side. I will remember that.
You're getting very good at this, Anna.
Tom, I can see old buildings ahead.
Yes, that is the old town center.
We found it. I'm so happy.
See, we just needed to ask.
Asking for help is never a bad idea.
Never. Remember that always.
What is that tall tower called?
That tower is a landmark.
What is a landmark?
A landmark is a famous place people know.
So I can use landmarks to find my way?
Exactly. Landmarks are your best friends here.
Excuse me, where's the market?
Do you see the tall clock tower?
Yes, I can see it clearly.
The market is behind the tower.
Behind the landmark. Perfect.
Now you're thinking like a local.
Tom, what does opposite mean?
Opposite means directly across from something.
Like the cafe is opposite the fountain?
Perfect example. You used it correctly.
The market is opposite the church?
Yes, opposite the old stone church.
This square is absolutely beautiful.
Old European squares always feel like this.
I want to sit by the fountain.
Let's rest there for a few minutes.
My feet are a little tired now.
We have walked quite far today.
Tom, is there a faster way back?
There might be a shortcut nearby.
What is a shortcut?
A shortcut is a faster, shorter route.
A shorter route sounds perfect right now.
Let me check the map for one.
Did you find a shortcut on the map?
Yes, through the small alley over there.
That little alley looks interesting.
It goes straight back to our street.
I love discovering hidden little paths.
That is the best part of exploring.
This alley is so charming and quiet.
Old cities always hide beautiful corners.
I would never find this on my own.
That is why we explore together.
I feel like I know this city now.
One walk changes everything, doesn't it?
I can see the hotel from here.
We made it back. No problem at all.
I learned so much today, Tom.
Directions, landmarks, shortcuts, corners.
And how to ask a stranger for help.
That last one is the most important.
Tom, I wasn't scared today. Not once.
Because you asked when you didn't know.
That was your advice from the start.
Getting lost is how you find new places.
Then I hope we get lost again tomorrow.
With you, Anna. I hope so too.